Daddy.
Yes.
How did business come about?
How did business come about? Well. I know this, I know this. Yeah. All right. I can tell you. How business come about? Hey guys, welcome to Everything Business. I am Serain Jackson. Today I'll be discussing the origins of business, in particular the bartering system. So let's get right into it. So long ago. Wait, what? No, long before these guys. Oh, maybe these guys. In primitive times, man realized that they had certain needs. These needs are things that they cannot live without, such as food, clothing, shelter. So they had to satisfy their immediate needs by themselves or directly. This is what we call in business direct satisfaction of wants. They did so through farming, fishing, and hunting. But there was a problem. Well, maybe this guy is overreacting. Man could not satisfy all their needs on their own. I know, right? So primitive men came up with a solution. Why not exchange with your neighbor to get the stuff that you don't have? Smart, eh? Well, this exchange of stuff or goods is what is called the bartering system. Yes, sir. So the bartering system is the exchanging of goods for goods without using money. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how business started. People satisfying each other's needs and wants indirectly.
Wow!
Primitive men used items such as shells, beads, and animal skins to barter. Today, countries exchange resources and services and so on.
That's great.
The bartering system at that time was working perfectly because people could satisfy their needs indirectly. People had more access to a greater variety of goods or stuff. People learn to get along with each other and they build social relationships. But there arose some problems with this bartering system, such as there was no common denominator. That simply means there was no common value. There was no way to measure the value of things. There were disagreements among persons as to the value of their stuff. And there has to be what is called a double coincidence of wants, which means you have to find somebody who wants what you have and you have what they want. Goods would also spoil because, it would take a long time to find somebody to barter with. So let's summarize. What did we learn? People have needs. People need to satisfy those needs. People started exchanging with each other. This is what is called the bartering system. The bartering system is good in some ways, like people could have access to a larger variety of goods. The bartering system had some limitations, however, like there has to be a double coincidence of wants. And there you have it. That's how business came about, the bartering system. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you never miss a free tutorial. Alright? Until next time, see you guys. Goodbye.